Another question, I thought this one was interesting, Brian. They said they've been looking at tax deeds and tax foreclosures for a year, but none of them have been good enough so that they could buy it, fix it up, and sell it. They said there's no money in it. And so they're asking, how do you do it differently? Well, I'm going to tell you all this. Anytime a property is publicly available through whether it's an auction like that, a government auction, local government auction, or it's on the MLS, if everybody else can know about that deal, that price is going to push up to the point where there's no profit. So it's going to happen. You're watching a segment from a Freedom Mentor live stream. Join us for our next live event. Go to freedommentor.com/live. So yeah, tax deeds. Yeah, that's not where the opportunity is. In fact, the majority of the buyers of tax deeds, and here in Florida, there are 3 hedge funds that buy all of the tax liens. And then they're the ones that initiate the tax deed foreclosures. You're not going to compete against that. There's much better ways to make money in real estate investing than tax deed or tax lien investing. Now, if you know the property intimately, you know it's going to foreclosure, and you've been following it, there are some rare instances where you're the one of the few people that bid at the auction. Even then, it's still just not worth it. So, good question there. All right, y'all. We got some good questions coming in. It says here, from a first-time investor, Brian, would you expect year 1 cash flow? More equity plus cash flow. Quickest way to achieve positive cash flow, assuming one single-family home. All right, can someone expect to cash flow a rental property in their first year?
Absolutely, but it goes back to what you've already touched on. It's how you buy what you buy. And that's really the key is if you're out there competing with everyone else and paying too much, stuck probably trying to use bank loans, you're going to have you're trying to run in mud. It's just not going to happen. If you're able to work directly with sellers, motivated sellers, that's what we specialize in. That's how you're able to structure deals that are a win-win. They're going to provide you cash flow. So it's all in finding the right deals.
I love some of the feedback here. Esau, you're like, this doesn't work in California. Okay, look, uh, there are a lot of deals that don't work. A lot. I saw there's a great deal just came through that I looked at in Stockton, and I know that's not the same as Bel Air, but look, there are opportunities within a region of you. It might not be literally in the neighborhood you live in, but there are opportunities. There always are. Now, you've got to weave and bob. You've got, for example, in California, a single family home, it's going to be very tough. Maybe you turn it into you create the ADU and now you got a duplex, but you probably have to go multifamily there to make the numbers work. The numbers can work when you connect with the right sellers and when you know what you're doing. But it is that old saying that Henry Ford said, whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right. I remember, Brian, way back in the day when we were doing a lot of the live events, I remember when people would come up to me and say, "Oh, you can't do this kind of stuff in New Jersey." And I would literally pull up, those days it was like a little booklet. I'd pull up a booklet and show a closing statement of a deal that we had just done in New Jersey. And their eyes they would just be shocked. So, yes, I agree that it's going to be tougher in certain parts of California. But as soon as you start thinking that there's no way to make it happen, then clearly you're not going to find any good deals. And you got to know what to do. I mean, bottom line. We have been coaching and mentoring real estate investors for 20 years. In fact, some of America's most successful investors got their start with us. Here's what our apprentices have to say about working with us.
Freedom Mentor was probably one of the biggest blessings I've had in my life.
For us, it's been life-changing, hands down. Couldn't even think about not doing this, right? And what a missed opportunity if I had not done it.
And you can be next. Learn more about our program in the top right corner. This person says, I have a property that's going for $445. How can I connect with the right buyer? Okay, we have a training. How to sell your property the Freedom Mentor way. How to sell your property in any market fast. Now, that one, I hope you can track down, Stephanie, how to sell your home in any market. We have a methodology, Brian, right, that works. Year in, year out, whatever the market is, it always works.
Yeah, 100%. We got to buy it right, We've got to put the right money into it or not. And we have to sell it the right way. And it works every time. When it doesn't work is because you didn't follow step one to step two. So that's the real key. Buy the right properties, do the right things to it, and we can move it. It's like an afterthought. Of course we can sell it. We just need to get out in front of the right people, and we do that every time.
Best way to sell a house in any market right there. That's the formula. It works so good. I send that to friends, to family, to everybody that ever needs to sell a home. The reason why everybody doesn't do that formula is they don't know how to do it right. But you do that right, and that works every time. That's how that deal I was mentioning earlier that was listed at 350 has got a buyer locked in at 400. In today's market, you got to do it just right. Would you like to be coached by me and my team? Every successful real estate investor has a mentor. Discover how you can be mentored by us through our apprentice program by clicking above.